Hi viewers, welcome back again in today's amazing video. Get beloved, today I am here to share with you the amazing drinks that you can actually prepare by yourself, and trust me guys, you are good to go. Any problem that has to do with erectile dysfunction, this particular drinks is capable to cure it. Okay, if you are not maintaining erection, if your joystick is not stronger enough, this drink is for you. You want to last more than 30 minutes, 35 to 1 hour, this drink is for you. Okay, yes, it's all natural, but it works powerfully. It works more than Viagra, and this will not give you any side effect. I know that some of you now will ask me at the comment section, oh, does this drink have side effect? How can natural something have side effect? Something that does not have preservative or chemical preservative, it's just natural. As you prepare it by yourself, that's how you're going to consume it, and that is how it will start working on your system. It doesn't have any side effect like other ones, okay, that you purchase somewhere. Now, if you are 60 years and above, this drink for you. If you are 40 years and above, this drink for you. Then if you are 29 down, you just need to start taking this in order to build your system as a man. Okay, but before I dive into this video guys, if it's the first time I'm coming across to my channel, you are highly welcome. And for my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate all your love and your support. Trust me, I really appreciate it. Okay, so feel free to like this video, share it to your loved ones, to your friends, let them get to know about this particular drinks. Okay, now let's begin. Number one thing that you need to get in preparing this amazing drink is what? Moringa. Guys, you need a moringa, whether dry or fresh. So I know some of you now will now be asking me, what is moringa? You can also ask Google, then they will bring the image of moringa. Then number two, you need what? Shawashop leaf. That is number two. Number three, you need what? Sugar cane. Number four, you need clove. Number five, you need watermelon. Number six, you need ginger. Then number seven, you need bitter cola. You see all the things that I just listed now, we are going to be preparing it in a drink form that after taking it guys, your power level will turn to ×3. You can even drink this before going to bed, you understand, before the knacking. Okay, so how will you prepare it? Get your moringa, get your shop leaf. For those of you who don't know where to get moringa, I sell moringa. I also sell shop tea leaf, or also the powder, whichever one you want. Okay, so all you have to do is to get this is the basic thing that you need to get. Once you lay your hand on the moringa leaf and the shop leaf, then the next thing you're going to get is your bitter cola. You're going to need only 3 seeds of bitter cola. Then your clove should be just 4 pieces of clove. Then your ginger, 1 pound of ginger will be okay. And your watermelon, a full bunch of watermelon is okay for you. And then your sugar cane. Okay, you can get sugar cane juice, or you can get sugar cane powder. For those of you who don't know where to get sugar cane, who are living in diaspora, who are living in UK, US, Canada, I sell sugar cane powder. Okay, now how will you get it? When you get all of those things, now put your sugar cane powder or your sugar cane juice in a pot. Wash your moringa leaf, your shop leaf, put it there. Then your bitter cola, wash it and then slice it into a tiny pieces, put it there. Then slice your ginger, put it there. Do not peel the back of the ginger, do not peel the back, just wash it thoroughly, make sure that there is no dirt and sound. Then wash it very well and cut it into tiny pieces, put it there. Okay, now your clove, put it there. Now you are not going to add any extra water in it. You are going to use 1 full big of what is it called, watermelon, to do as your water. So how will you get water? How will you extract the water from the watermelon? Now you are going to peel the back of the watermelon. All right, but before you peel the back of the watermelon, make sure that you wash the watermelon thoroughly. Wash it thoroughly guys, and then peel it. Then cut that peel back into tiny pieces, include it inside your pot. and then juice what? The watermelon. Use juicer to juice the watermelon. Okay, now remove the chaff and then add the water inside the mixture of those things that you have added already in your pot. Okay, now take it into fire and just cook it for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes is okay. Then cover it, allow it to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, you can even leave it longer hour. Then after then, you are going to be taking this on empty stomach in the morning, afternoon, and night. If you want to snack, take this juice. You can even do it as much as you can. You can even turn it into powder. For those of you who are watching me from US, Canada, Australia, you can turn this into powder. Okay, you can just gather all of those things, turn it into powder, and be drinking it as a tea. Guys, it's going to powerhouse your power. It's going to bring back your glory. It's going to make you to walk times 3 of the Viagra that you know in the market that they're selling. The only thing that you need to do is to be consistent. It's also a treatment on its own. That is number 1. Number 2, that is number 1. Number 2, it helps in making you to last what? Longer in what? In knacking. So that is what it does actually. Okay, now I know some of you will be asking, oh, how can I get this? Can I get this? Yes, you can actually get it. So to get it in powdered form, or to get it in Nigeria, whether you want it in a watering form or in a powder form, all you have to do is to send me a WhatsApp message on +234 90 59825779 +234 90 59825779. Guys, I am active on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Do have a wonderful and lovely day. I love you all. Remain blessed. Bye.